All right, so we found a buyer for the motor, and because the transmission is a piece of shit, we're just gonna give him the whole thing. So actually, we're actually gonna swap. We like put the beds of our F-150s together, and we're just gonna like slide the motor over to his truck. What up? Gang, gang.
I got one more. Hey, you too.
Pretty convenient, actually, that my truck is higher.
Yeah.
Let's do this. I'm just gonna watch you guys because there's three of you. So.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I think this worked pretty well.
I was trying to pull it on the end, but
This is definitely the getaway to do it, but.
fuck yeah, welcome to Seattle.
She ain't going nowhere.
It ain't going nowhere. Come on, as long as we don't go too fast, we're cool.
Jesus Christ.
Bro, what are you doing? Where are you tying?
Yeah, what the fuck are you... What is it gonna hold, Stefan?
You're supposed to
Hey, hey,
bro.
tell you what. You can use my ratchet strap. Just bring it back with the oil pan. All right? I wanted to see how far you guys could get with your recharge.
Wait.
But I don't know how I feel about this.
No, not
I don't know. All right, what you got for me?
1, 2, 300, 400.
Hey.
4 blue shoes.
All right, are they real?
So you, are they real?
Dude, this has happened to me. They look very real.
Ain't no stage money.
I'm just making sure.
Them crisp blue strips. Holla at me.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah.
I'll be hitting you up soon.
Okay. Just gotta double check. Can't be too sure. I know it's not a lot of money. Looks good. Okay.
That cast piece hooks into a steel shift rail that runs all the way through the transmission, like up to the front of it.
Yeah.
And that cast piece, where the shift rail plugs into that cast piece, there's a roll pin that connects the two together. Every time I've seen it, it's been like in some sort of autocross drift type environment where it's getting hammered back and forth a lot, and it'll just kind of wiggle its way out. And once it does that, it just slides back and forth on it, but there's no pin holding it together. Let me talk to a couple of the guys here, man. I'll try and cook up an idea. Okay.
Cool. Thanks, Nate. I appreciate your help.
No problem, Zach. I'll talk to you soon.
All right. Bye.
All right. Bye.
All right, so last time I was in the car with Austin, you guys saw I was pretty upset because the transmission is wiggling all over the place. You got a good eye on that? Can you see inside there?
It is.
You see this?
Yeah.
So I got off the phone with Nate Tovey from Tremec, and he thinks that it is a... Dude.
He thinks that it's a phone call? Oh.
Yes?
In the next 30 seconds, we'll teach you all you need to know about fixing your own
Tremec T56 Magnum
transmission. Depend on the experience of having repaired over 1 million transmissions.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our circle grinder and we're gonna cut into the transmission tunnel. John David Willis is here to help out. Then we're gonna try and pull out a dowel that we believe fell through this long cylinder that goes to the front of the transmission, which is what shifts the gears. It's a little different than a standard BMW shift linkage on my E36 before when it had a ZF transmission in it. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna have fun. Let's go. You got like the white shirt and like slicked hair, like the sock hop thing going on right now.
Yeah, dude. So hot.
Okay, so we are going to use some pliers and then this guy. I think that's all we need for this for now. And then we'll need like a 13 mil. Instead of having all the sparks fly back to the wiring, we're gonna use this license plate. There we go. Grinder. need to cut right here. There we go. Here, I'll get the camera. Now we've got good access to these 4 bolts. We're gonna unbolt this, pick it up, and then we'll have access to hopefully pull out what is disconnected, the shift linkage right here. Like a wrench, a 1/4" drive for that bottom. There it is. All right. That's exactly what Nate predicted. So basically what it looks like is this dowel snapped on the top where it connects. There's a little weak point on there, and so the shifter is not connected to the rest of the assembly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little, what do you call it?
Awl?
An owl?
Awl. Like
an awl?
A-Y or A-W awl.
Owl. Now that I've done this and I've cut into it, if I want to fill my tray with fluid, I'm not gonna have to use a pump. I can just pour it in here. It's so nice. Appears to be too big, but it might work. So we're gonna hold this funky looking thing here. So when it drops, hopefully that catches it. I feel it. Oh yeah, it just dropped. Look, yeah, it snapped into 2 pieces. Yeah, so this is just as Nate suspected. This clip right here broke in half. Okay. This is all we had to cut, which is nice. That's really easy to cover up if we need to. So we got access to it. This guy's got work in the morning and it's late, and we still have to edit the next video.
Yeah, we do. That's right.
Which
Me and Zach are editing the next video.
Which is the last video. Oh, you're editing the video for us now? All right.
Well,
guys, guess what?
Zwingfilms.
Char is gonna edit the last episode for us.
Zwingfilms at your service.
You probably look terrible at that angle. You should.
This is a good angle for me, trust me. Everybody knows. Down below, I'm a photographer. I know. I know.
All right. Thanks for tuning in.
Yep.
Peace.